Shampoo and conditioner are both hair care products that are often used together to clean, condition, and maintain healthy hair. However, they have different functions and purposes. Shampoo is a hair care product that is used to clean the scalp and hair by removing dirt, excess oil, and product buildup. Shampoo usually contains surfactants that help to break down and wash away these substances. It can also contain additional ingredients such as moisturizers or vitamins to nourish and protect the hair. Conditioner is a hair care product that is used to moisturize and detangle the hair, making it easier to comb or brush. Conditioner works by coating the hair with a layer of moisturizing agents such as silicones or natural oils, which help to smooth the hair cuticle and reduce frizz. It can also contain additional ingredients such as proteins or vitamins to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. In summary, shampoo and conditioner serve different functions in hair care. Shampoo is used to clean the scalp and hair, while conditioner is used to moisturize and detangle the hair. Both products can be used together to achieve healthy, clean, and nourished hair. Shampoo. Shampoo can come in different types depending on the hair type and specific needs. For example, there are shampoos for oily hair, dry hair, color-treated hair, and dandruff-prone hair. Some shampoos contain sulfates, which are surfactants that create lather and help to remove dirt and oil from the hair. However, sulfates can be harsh and drying, especially for people with dry or curly hair. There are also sulfate-free shampoos that use milder surfactants or natural cleansers, such as coconut oil or apple cider vinegar. These shampoos are gentler on the hair and can be a good option for people with sensitive or dry scalps. It's important to choose a shampoo that is appropriate for your hair type and needs. Using the wrong type of shampoo can cause damage, dryness, or scalp irritation. Conditioner. Conditioner is applied after shampooing and left on the hair for a few minutes before rinsing out. Some conditioners can also be used as a leave-in treatment, which means they are not rinsed out. Conditioner can help to improve the texture and appearance of the hair by smoothing the cuticle and reducing frizz. It can also provide additional moisture and nourishment to the hair. There are different types of conditioners, such as deep conditioners, which are used once a week to provide a more intensive treatment, and detangling conditioners, which are used to make combing or brushing easier. Like shampoo, it's important to choose a conditioner that is appropriate for your hair type and needs. For example, if you have fine or thin hair, you might want to choose a lightweight conditioner that won't weigh your hair down. Overall, using a combination of shampoo and conditioner can help to keep your hair clean, moisturized, and healthy. It's important to choose products that are appropriate for your hair type and needs, and to use them according to the instructions on the label.